Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 4th, subject GK. How are you students? Now I think everyone was enjoying the winter season, na? Okay, so let's start our GK. Yeah, it's more word game. Okay, do you remember first lockdown? Yeah, I think it's during March 20 or 22. I think in the end of March it is started, right? So during the first lockdown, we don't know what is the situation, what is COVID, and but we have forced to sit at home. Everyone pressurized us not to come out of the go out of our house. Even elder one or children also. So it is why this situation occurs, but we just only understand that it is a situation where we have to fight that COVID by keeping aside from we say mob or gathering everything, and if it is emergency, then and then only we have to go out, right? In certain situation, what exactly why we staying at home we don't know, but it is very important, or it is the we can say one of the method how we can fight with the COVID. Okay. So the government also tried his best to stay at home. Government started the Ramayana, Mahabharata serials, so many comedy serials, the old and new Hindi films, so that people stay at home, they get entertained, and their I think they do not feel unhealthy like emotionally, so that they get entertained or engaged in any other things, just like cooking, then singing or playing indoor games. Yeah, for the children it is the best option to play the indoor games. Even I have two sons, so they get bored and don't know what to do. They just say, mama, we don't want to stay at home, just go for at least walk, at least far away, a long drive in our car. But it is not happened up to, I think, August September. Okay. So for it is very difficult as a parent to me also to handle such situation. For children, the best option is to play indoor games. So many indoor games I think you also played, such like carom, ludo, then antakshari, then we can say word games. So many word games are there, right? So I think most of the students have played this game. But let's see who like, I think everyone like this, but we get some information about this game. Okay, if you have not played, it is very good option when you get tired from regular games. Okay, so let's see more word game. There are many word games that help us to learn more words. Here are two that you may play at home or in school if you have a free period. Okay, in school also you can play, at home, or where if you are gathering is your in your nanny's house, or at any guest house, and so many children are gathered and you want to play with only sitting, that means you are not allowed to go out of certain area, then you can play such games. Okay, first game known as words within words. Okay, so let's start our first game. What is its name? Words within words. Each of you should have a piece of paper and pencil. A word is split out and written on the blackboard. A player has to try and form as many words as possible by using the letters in the word. Using the plural form, the main word is not allowed. Okay, the player with maximum words wins. Okay, some word is given. Okay, it should be written on blackboard, or who is the anchor of the game, he will tell you. Otherwise he can write on blackboard or copy, or he will announce, yeah, this is the word. Okay, so it may be 6, 7 or 8 letters words, but this is the word, and from this word we have to take 1, 2 letters and form maximum words. Okay, so let's see here. Here it is given an example, forest. Okay, so many words we can make. Say here, for, to, soar, foray, then road, store, off, rest, to, ore, fort, tore, then sort, frost, rose, soft, or said. Okay, so many words we can make from single word. Suppose, okay, I have also played this game with my son. Okay, so it is a marble. I give them word marble. So he made the words able, bar, lab, balm, ear, me, are, mel, am, lamb. Okay, it is very interesting. It gets knowledge about your, it increases our knowledge about the words, right? So it improves our English also, right? Okay, so if you like, I think everyone has to play this game. Okay, so it is increase your vocabulary. Now second game, 2 or 3 letters are given. Okay, you can add the letters before or after or both and form the words. The player with the maximum number of words wins. Now see here, in the first game we have given the word. Now in the second game we have given the letters, and with the help of this letter we have to make the words. Okay, see here, RAM. So see here, PRAM, RAMP, TRAM, TRAMPLE, TRAM, CRAMP, RAMPAGE, TRAMPOLRNE. So many words we can make. Okay. Now here one another example is given, EAT. So see here, here another word is given, EAT. So words form NEAT, HEAT, FEAT, DEATH, FEATHER, then BREATH, SEAT, MEAT, BEAT, THREAT, CHEAT, BREATHE, GREAT, EATEN, then EATING, LEATHER, CRATE, create, then weather. Okay, so many words are. I have not pronounced, I have just read the letters. Okay, I think these all words are so simple and easy. You can pronounce it, right now? And it is a very easy game and definitely increase your vocabulary. So whenever you get time, or whenever you get bored from cricket, volleyball, football, or whatever you regular play, just sit with your friends or your parents, or the people around us, and just play this game. You definitely enjoy it. Okay, so let's start our next chapter. It is about similar sound words. So once again it is according to English language. Okay, so the words having same pronouns, I am not saying about the spelling. Okay, I am saying words having same pronunciation are called what? Can anyone tell me? The words having similar pronunciation but meanings are different, so what will we call it? Yes, anyone can tell me? It is called homophone. Okay, So see, bye.